Ate, pwedeng magtanong, saan ba dito yung masarap na cheese bread? Ang daming nagtatanong kung saan yung exact location ng Cuevas bread from our last post. Kung saan kami nakabili ng napakasarap na cheese bread. So today, let us show you. So ayan, from Abanao Square or Maharlika, pasok ka lang dito papuntang Palengke. Ayan, lakad ka lang, paakyat until makarating ka ng intersection. Ayan, then turn left kung saan makikita mo yung paradaan ng iba't ibang jeep. Diretsuhin mo lang yan. Sige pa, akyat pa. And to your left is Cuevas bread. Papayag ba akong pumunta dito nang hindi bumibili? Syempre hindi. Medyo may mga kagaya ako na naka-target lock din sa cheese bread, so I had to wait for a few minutes for the new batch. Which I didn't mind kasi mas masarap yung fresh from the oven. 13 pesos each nga pala yung cheese bread nila. At ayan, merienda secured. Tara mangan. Yun lang, palike.